Hey students, good evening everybody. Welcome to NEET Bioforum channel. Today we are going to discuss about the adrenal gland part 2 video. So let us see the hormones secreted by the adrenal gland. So previously we discussed about adrenal cortex hormones. Some of the hormones we discussed in the previous video. So the next hormone is that cortisol. The cortisol helps to maintain cardiovascular system and kidney functions. Then the next function is that it produces anti-inflammatory reaction and suppresses immune response. That means it produces anti-inflammatory reaction. That means in the cellular region, if any wound occur means at that time the WBC fight against. So that time pain and swelling occur in this region. So this time the cortisol helps. Then the next hormone is that mineralocorticoids. It regulates the balance of water and electrolytes present in our body. So electrolytes means nothing but it is some charged minerals will be present in the bloodstream. Charged minerals it will be present in the bloodstream. So it maintains the pH of blood. So the next hormone is that androgenic steroids. So this hormone it is used for the development of axial hair, pubic hair, facial hairs during puberty. So axial hair means armpit hairs, pubic hair means genital hair, facial hair means we know that mustache and beard formation during puberty. Then the next one is adrenal medulla. Okay, so the adrenal medulla secretes some of the hormones. Let us see one by one. That is epinephrine or adrenaline, norepinephrine or noradrenaline. These hormones are together known as catecholamines. Okay, so then let us see the functions one by one. So first one, it increase the rate of heartbeat, then alertness, then this hormone is called fight or flight hormone. Okay, flight or fright hormone. So why it is called fight or flight hormone? No, this hormone, for example, if anybody is quarreling with you means this hormones only it helps to fight against that person. So it is known as fight hormone. Then next one, flight hormone. So flight hormone means, so for example, if you are weak means, so sometime if you are weak to fight against that person means sometime you will be run away from that person. So it is called a flight hormone. So this hormone rapidly secreting in response to stress of any kind and during emergency situation. So it is called the emergency hormone. So these adrenal medulla secrete epinephrine or adrenaline, norepinephrine or noradrenaline. So these hormones are called catecholamine. So these hormones are known as emergency hormones. So it is called a fight or flight hormone. Then let us see the disorders of the adrenal cortex. So first one is that Addison's disease. The second one is that Cushing's syndrome. Third one is that adrenal virilism. So these are the disorders caused by adrenal cortex. So the first one, Addison's disease. Addison's disease is called hypocortisonism. So this hormone, this Addison disease was first described by Thomas Addison in 1885. He is the father of endocrinology. So what are the? So it is caused by deficiency of mineralocorticoids hormone and glucocorticoids. Then symptoms. What are the symptoms? No, pigmentation of the skin, low blood sugar level, vomiting and diarrhea. This is a symptom of Addison disease. It is called hypocortisonism. That means the excess amount of hormones are secreted. Excess amount of hypocortism, so deficiency of mineralocorticoids and glucocorticoids. Then Cushing syndrome. Okay, so Cushing syndrome, it is caused by the excess of cortisol hormone. Addison's disease is caused by the deficiency of mineralocorticoids and glucocorticoids. Cushing syndrome is caused by the excess of cortisol hormone. It develops tumor on adrenal cortex. Then symptom, what are the symptoms? No, high blood pressure. Okay, so high blood pressure, then obesity, then poor wound healing. So it is the symptoms of Cushing syndrome. Then adrenal virilism, next disorder. So adrenal virilism, that is the excess amount of male sex corticoids, excess amount of male sex corticoids in female. So that's why, so female characters, so male characters will be developed in the female. For example, mustache, beard formation, these and all, male voice, these and all developed in the female. Okay, so these are all the disorders of the adrenal cortex. Okay, then hormones. So in this video we discussed about the hormones, adrenal cortex hormones and adrenal medulla. What are the hormones secreted by adrenal medulla? Then disorders. Okay, thank you students. Thank you.